Hey guys, welcome and or welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be stuffing $30 again. I am sticking to $30. I feel like that is a good amount. I almost forgot that I had to actually do it this week, so I am going to go ahead and get started.
In the crowd, in the club, at the bar, yeah, what's up? I saw you cross the room, yeah, glowing in the moonlight. I don't know where you've been, but I'm glad that you're here. Gonna take you.
Whenever I look at them, a lot of them have folded money in the front, so hopefully I don't forget that we need to count that money so we can start marking off the larger numbers. I believe that's the reason why I was doing that. I know this one has a lot of tens on here, so hopefully this one gets hit today. But we do have $30 and I wanted to go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So if y'all are new here, my name is Cassie J. I am trying to be debt free within 5 months. I have 5 months, which is September of 2026, to pay off the $17,000 that I had in starting January off in debt. So as of right now, today the 2nd, I do not know how much money I have left in debt. I know that I still have payments and nothing has been paid off. So I have like maybe 2 or 3 things that are left over. And so I know that they are still needing payments. However, in my debt confession, I will let you know which within my loans, with my student loans, they have, some of them have been completed out and paid off because I've been making regular monthly payments, and anything additional like principal payments, I've been targeting only one loan within it. So with that, I do know some things have been paid off, but it's not like anything that I can say I'll never pay a student loan again, you know? So with the student loan portion, I actually thought about going back to school. It's been on my mind heavy, and if that happens, I'm probably going to have more student loan debt, if I'm being honest. But I'm not 100% sure, so I don't know. Don't hold me to it. Then the other thing is, you are my OGs. Thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. I really do. I like the fact that y'all reach out to me on Ko-Fi. Y'all reach out to me on Instagram. Y'all reach out to me in the comments. I really enjoy communicating with y'all. Even though I'm like a slow replier, I really enjoy messaging y'all. The other thing that I wanted to mention was that I am actually going to be doing more house viewing, looking at houses, taking y'all with me, looking at apartments, taking you with me, checking out townhomes, giving you information as to what their pet policy is. I have never had a pet in my home ever. The man that I'm dating right now has a pet, and so I have to take that into consideration whenever I'm looking for a house, and I have no idea what the rules are. I just recently found out that a pit bull would be considered an aggressive pet, so a lot of places don't accept those types of pets in their homes, or whatever. So I don't know how that's actually going to go whenever it comes to us living together. I might actually have to renew this apartment that I'm in right now, but my parents are moving out, so it's not like it's a big deal. But yeah, that's one of the things that I have to actually pay attention to, is them basically, me, I may have to stay here because I don't know anything about the pet. So I want to get that more clarification whenever I go out looking for apartments and houses and stuff. And since I'm a mystery shopper, I might be able to do a couple apartments doing mystery shopping while I'm doing it. So that is just another thing that I was actually thinking about doing, and I wanted to go ahead and share with you that I will be intentionally going out and looking for homes and doing the mystery shopping as well. So I don't know how often I will be doing it, but I do know that I will be taking y'all with me whenever I do it. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Again, I'm trying to save $300 for the North Carolina trip. He has 2 babies that are graduating in May and in June. And so we are trying to make sure that we go to both graduations. And even though the expenses have already been paid, tickets are already good or whatever, I don't have like souvenir money, food money, stuff like that from my pocket. From his pocket, yes, but from my pocket, no. So let's go ahead and get started so we can save this money. That's where this money is coming from. So $3 to the mystery. And then I did put these as digital purchase in the Ko-Fi, and it's just the dashboard, or it's just the savings challenge. It's not with the dashboard. So if you are interested, please go check that out. A physical does come with the dashboard, but that's in the Etsy shop, which will not be live until sometime in May, and I don't have the exact date. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The dollar there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For Cinco de Mayo, we're actually looking forward to going 3, 4, 5, going downtown. We were really looking forward to that. So I don't know if we're, oh no, that's all my money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, too short. But yeah, we're really looking forward to going downtown and going to the historic market. And I haven't been to the historic market since I've been here in San Antonio, and so he hasn't either. So we plan on taking the kids down there, so just to see the vibe and everything during Cinco de Mayo. I know it's going to be a lot of people. I'm not too worried about that part. He probably is, but I really like the fact that it's going to be, like the events and stuff going down there. I love that. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and $13. So we have folded over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 13 we're adding in here. Let me make sure that this is even right. So we have 3, 5, 7, 2, 10, 15, 10, 5. 54. Already? That's crazy. 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 78. Okay, so that was a different amount than what I thought it was. All right, so this is 54. All right, so we have 54, and then what's another bigger number? Plus 9 minus 74. No, 78. So 15 and then a 6. Awesome, y'all. That right there felt like scavenger hunt. All right, so 1 down. Now this one. So the folded money we did not add. We did not mark out. I wasn't aware. I was trying to figure out why, but never mind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then we have an 8, which is what I wanted to mark out. And do we have a 6? No. Next is a 5. So 8, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, $1. I got $1. I miscounted, so I took it from that one. I know it's cheating. I don't care. All right, because I messed up, and I'm used to it. All right, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, I'm gonna say let's fold it again because we don't have 10. Oops. $7, 8, 9, 10. So $2 gonna be folded. No, $2 gonna be folded. Both of those in the front, and this goes in the back. All right, so I will see y'all next week because I'm about to go Uber, and I was actually thinking of doing an extra stuffing for this because I'm so close to having this finished, and we're so close to June that I just want this to be over with. So I don't know if I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna go Uber and see how much I can make today to see if I can make another stuffing. I have to do a Bill's cash stuffing, so I'm not 100% sure if I will have enough because I don't have all of the bills for one of them done, and that's where my main focus really is. But sometimes if I have maybe I say I'm gonna make a goal of, I don't know, $100 today, and I make 105, I'll put that 5 to the side to go to this. So hopefully I already posted my vlog video for the cruise. If not, there is a vlog video coming. I'm going to the new Carnival Island that they have purchased in July of 2025, or that opened in July of 2025. So I plan on showing a lot of that. And then, of course, if y'all have any questions or anything like that, just let me know. I am so excited to actually show you each and everything that I'm going to be doing. Y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe, stay beautiful, and stay blessed. Bye, guys.